Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am or you're new to this channel, my name is Chandrea and today I'm going to show you a Dollar Tree haul on the fall items that they just brought out. But before I start, I wanted to tell you about this shirt that I got. Well, it's not really a shirt, it's like an activewear top. I am partnered with this website called Astoria activewear, and if you want to get a discount code on any of their leggings or tops or any activewear that they have, I have a code for you. My code is TREA15X and I have it down below, and I also have their website and their Instagram. So the discount will give you 15% off. This video is not sponsored. I wanted to throw out there that I have a discount code for this top if you want this type of top or any of their activewear that they have. So you can see this is like all the kind of stuff they have. Anyways, now I'm gonna go into the haul of the things I got at Dollar Tree. I have bought all these things because I'm gonna DIY them into something else. So if you want to watch me DIY them into something else, subscribe and click on the bell so you could get a notification when I post that video. But for now, I'm just going to show you what I've got. So the first thing I got was this sign. It's like a long sign and it says beware. I'm just going to show you everything I've got, and then when I do the DIY, then you'll see what I did with the video. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise and tell you what I'm gonna do with them. And then I got two of these thankful and blessed signs. They're pumpkins, and I like them for the leaf here, and I like that they're shaped as a pumpkin. So I did get two of those. Three of these gather sign. I got them for the plaid. There's other dollar stores that have them in black and white. We did not have them in black and white, but I actually like this color, like the burgundy and the cream. Mama. So I do like this, and I got three of them. I also got some sponge brushes. I forgot to get paintbrush and sandpaper, so I'll probably go get some today because I have to go exchange something at Target anyway, so I'll go to Dollar Tree right there. And then I got a ruler, well, two rulers. I got this wreath hanger. I won't even need this, but I got it just in case. DIY pumpkin stickers that I'm gonna also use as well. And I got this rope. I got these little decoration balls. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but I'll figure out something for it. Got these 3 pumpkin clips. I was looking everywhere for these. They have 3 count metal words. It says thankful, harvest, and welcome. I was looking everywhere in the Dollar Tree for this, and they were hidden behind the decorations. So I was going all over the place, and I took the time to actually stop and look through the shelves and the hanged up items, and I ended up finding it. I got this little welcome friends stand, pumpkin stand. I've got some tape. I got some twine. I actually have some brown and green twine, but I'm running low, so I got some more. I got some decorative ribbon. I got this one and this one. This one matches the plaid, the 3 plaid that I just got as well. That's why I got this one. I've got one of these glass pumpkins, and then I got this vase right here. And then I got another pumpkin stand. They're different shapes, that's why I got 2 different ones. One is taller and not as wide, and the other one is shorter and wider. I also got this painting set, but this is for my daughter to play with. That way she's occupied while I'm DIYing. I've got 2 candles, an orange one and a white one. The orange one is Magnolia Amber Leaf and the white one is Golden Birchwood. I've only got the white one. I couldn't even smell it. I only got the white one because I wanted a white candle, and then an orange one because I wanted an orange candle. And lastly, from Dollar Tree, I got some floral arrangements. So I've got these minimums. I like them because they're orange, and you know, fall is orange. So I got orange ones. They're called dahlias. I thought these were really pretty and neutral. I'm kind of sad though that one is missing. I didn't notice it was missing, but bless you. But last night as I was going through them, I saw that it was missing, but that's okay. It's fine. And then lastly, I got cattails, and I thought these were really pretty as well. So I got these. That was everything at Dollar Tree, but I did end up going to Michael's and Target to get some things as well that I may need that I couldn't find at Dollar Tree, but they're still cheap as well. So I got this at Target. It's only $1. It's a little cupcake stand, I guess. Cupcake stand. And that was the only thing I got from Target. So I went to Michael's and I used a discount code. I used 2, so it's cheap, affordable. First, I got this alphabet stencil. They have different kind of style. I thought this was more kind of like simple yet kind of fall, because all the other ones were kind of like out there. So I got that. I got these, I don't know what this is called. I got these. I tried to find the green ones that have like, that are like kind of white, that have like the white on them, but I couldn't find them, so I got this one. And I got pine cones. I wanted pine cones that didn't have the white on them, but this will do, it's fine. I got some E6000. I got a paint palette thing to hold the paint. I got this little wood house that I'll make something out of. I got some more glue sticks for my hot glue gun because I think I only have like 2 left, so I had to grab that. I got a small bottle of Mod Podge. I don't think I'll need it, but I got it just in case. I've got acrylic paint, 1 in espresso and 1 in pear pumpkin. Yeah. And then lastly, I got 2 chalk paints, 1 in gray wool and 1 in porcelain. So,
Mama, yeah. This is orange pink.
So that is everything that I got from the Dollar Tree, Michael's, and Target. If you'd like to see me turn these into something else in my DIY, video, then subscribe, put that notification on so you can get notified when I post that video. But yeah, if you like this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below what you'd like to see next and what was your favorite Dollar Tree item. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys next time. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. We have birthday party to go to, so bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. So broken. Go just I finished my homework.